Welcome everyone, you're watching episode 2 of my game audio vlog. My name's Adam, and today I'm going to walk you through setting up your first sound bank in Wwise with an event with a sound effect. Step by step, I'm going to walk you through this real quick. Number 1, you set up your sound within Wwise. Number 2, you create a Wwise event to associate that sound with. Number 3, again, you associate the sound effect with the event. Number 4, you create your sound bank and then load in the event you just created. Number 5, you generate the sound bank and save your Wwise project. Number 6, you load the sound bank into your Unity project. It sounds a little bit more complicated than it actually is, so we're going to walk you through it real fast. First, you set up your sound effect within Wwise. This is a screenshot of what you need to do. You right-click on your actor mixer hierarchy in the default work unit or whatever work unit you're working in, and go to New Child and then Sound SFX just for a simple sound effect. Followed by importing your audio file, which you can right-click on the sound effect to import, or you can hit, I believe it's Shift-I, will give you right to the audio file importer. You can drag your audio file right into that big blank gray area and then click import, and it will import your sound file and make it associated with the Wwise sound effect. After that, you need to generally convert your audio file, which it'll show it in the Wwise screen in a blue text, which means that your audio file hasn't been converted to work within Wwise yet. You can hit Shift-C to automatically convert it, and then it'll bring this audio file conversion dialog up. Just click the OK button and it will convert your audio file. After that, you want to create an event. You go to the Events tab, as you can see on the screenshot, and then under the default work unit, you hit New Child. And then the easiest thing to do is just make a new play event. There's all sorts of different events that you can make, but rather than going through all of this, I'm just going to make a new play event. You can name it again whatever you want, but then you need to associate your sound with the event itself. So you'll go into this dialog here, the dialog editor box, double click the missing object button right at where the text is red, and it will bring up the Project Explorer. Either that or it's right click. I think it's double click. And then you can browse for your sound effect file, which I've named in my case Button. It's the one under the highlighted default work unit. You can double click that, and then your sound effect will be associated with the play event in Wwise that you can then call in Unity. Then you're going to want to hit F7 to prepare your sound bank here. I haven't actually made a new sound bank yet, but you're going to want to have those checkboxes checked that say default work unit, Windows, and English, US, or whatever language you're actually using to actually prepare your sound bank to be ready to be used. Then you can go ahead and click the new button at the sound bank manager, and then this dialog will pop up where you can make a new sound bank. I have tended to name mine Core. I haven't done many projects that have multiple sound banks yet, but there's a core sound bank. There you go, or you can name it Main or whatever you want. After you do that, make sure again that all of your checkboxes are checked up top. Then you can take your play event and drag it into the sound bank editor there at the bottom, and then ta-da, your play event will be associated with the sound bank. After that, what I normally jump into is the sound bank settings. I've had some issues with Wwise and Unity before where it didn't generate header files, where I needed to actually hard code some stuff. So I go into the sound banks tab, click the override project sound bank settings there at the top, and then click generate header file. That's the third checkbox down, and then I hit OK. After that, it'll jump you back to that screen that we were at before, and you can click the generate button to generate your sound bank, and then make sure once you're done with that, you click Control-S to save your Wwise project. If you don't do this, then when you jump back over into Unity, everything isn't going to port itself automatically. If you click the save button after you generate your sound bank, then everything will show up in Unity just fine. If you jump over to Unity now, then you will see within your Wwise picker, that was the thing we got when we integrated Wwise and Unity together. You see here, my sound bank core is now within Unity. All you need to do at this point is drag and drop your core sound bank into your main game camera, or something that isn't going to change within your game, like your game controller or something like that. If you have any other suggestions about where you should place it, then please comment below and tell me. I am not an aficionado on that. This is one of the first projects I've actually done between Wwise and Unity, so That's where I've used it before, and it's worked out very well. And then once you're done with that, your sound bank is complete. And that's episode number 2. Episode number 3, we're going to go work through making another event, making another event, and then attaching that within Unity itself, so that you'll have the sound effect that you created, the event to play it, and then when it happens on screen, it'll be played. So if you need a button press, the button press happens when you press the button. Magic, right? Episode number 3 will be that. Thank you for watching episode number 2, and have a great day.